we're here today. I'm here with Miss Allie Lane from Purdue. She's athletic development director at Purdue, and we're going to be walking around Fairfield Elementary School. I'm going to show her what it means to kind of be a principal on an average Wednesday morning.
I'm a Fort Wayne native, born and raised, and I'm super happy to be here at Fairfield Elementary today. Having worked in the line of work that I've been in, I have some connections, and as the university here in this community, I think it's very important for us to be out in the community and connecting with business leaders and young students like here at the elementary school alike, and show them all of the things that they can do as they're exploring interests. I think it's great to start career exploration at a very early age. I've got young children myself. I have an interest in sitting on the PTO, the yearbook committee. I get to interact with some of the students and the teachers. Not too much of a culture shock. I actually find it very interesting, and I just love all the smiling faces. It adds a really nice perspective for those of us that might have kids, and we might not be able to, see what they're doing, but it allows us to kind of get in and get a feel for what the teachers are doing on a day-to-day basis. Our teachers rock, and even when some of the students weren't looking as happy, the positive reinforcement there, I know deep down is going to really help those students get through and have a great day. I've enjoyed my time here today with Principal Henderson, and I look forward to the next opportunity to be part of something like this.